Okay, horns, picking up where I left off. We were talking about how to hold the horn and how to know what your sound is that you're making. So you've already learned to put your left hand on the keys and to put your thumb in either the hook or the valve there, and to keep the lead pipe, that's this straight part that your mouthpiece goes into, that's called the lead pipe. Keep it fairly straight towards your mouth. Don't let it get down like this. You want to keep it up. That means your hand is going inside the bell. Now, technically for symphonic playing, you're supposed to put your hand on the other side of the bell, so it's the back of your hand on the opposite side. But for you guys, just put your hand inside the bell and hold it, because you're going to need to be able to move that instrument around, right? You may be able to sit it on your lap. You actually may be too small to do that. If you have to sit it next to you, like on the seat next to you, you can kind of tilt it over there, but still try to keep this lead pipe straight. Okay, your hand is inside the bell. So when you first make a sound, you'll have no idea what note that is. Get used to grounding yourself by playing these 3 notes with open valves, so no fingers, okay? That's C, E, G. Always be able to find those 3 pitches because they are perfect thirds apart like that. They're a minor third and a major third, so it's a fifth apart, third. And if you can do that, you'll always be able to ground yourself because it just has that sound, right? Otherwise you'll be going, what note is that? I don't know. How about this one? Right? With a horn, you have almost an unlimited number of notes you can play without even putting your fingers down. So you need to be able to find a place in the center where you can be feeling fairly solid. So at least try to do this C, E, G again. And I'll start another video for you.